folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here, out here at the Avon Park Field. We're going to take up the BF 109 German, the Dynam German warplane of the Luftwaffe, and I hope I'm saying that right, Luftwaffe. And this plane is reportedly one of the hardest planes. Now this is what I've heard. I'm watching different YouTube videos, reading a little bit up on this plane. It's one of the hardest planes to land because the pilot absolutely cannot see the landing gear, can't see the horizon, only just that big nose out in front of him. And the landing gear is so narrow, so it's very narrow, splays out from the middle out, and makes it kind of hard to land. So let's do a range test real quick. Haven't flown this plane in a hot minute. Okay, we got everything I need to see. But you land this plane the same way you do any warbird, with a little bit of speed and fly her all the way in. You don't just let her float in. You're going to want to fly her all the way in. Lots of high wing planes, you can kind of let them float in. Well, not so with a warbird. You got to fly her to the ground. So, all right.
Gear up.
I love the white tips on those wings. Really makes visibility really well. Really helps with visibility. Good looking bird. Good looking bird.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Good flying model, I gotta tell you. It really is.
Gear down.
See if I can't pull off a landing with this bad boy. Thing about it is, you're gonna land no matter what. A landing is pretty well gonna happen one way or the other. Hold on, got too much speed. Let me go around, and I need to be a little lower down as I approach.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Nope. Good looking model though. Staying away from the power lines, that's for sure. There. Oh yeah. That was wonderful.
Gear up.
That went real well. Made for a nice touch and go. And that was an intentional touch and go this time, folks. I actually intended to do that. There. Nice low pass there. Slow.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
I love the way how sleek that plane is. So sleek, and as Captain Blosh and pilot Robert would say, sexy. So sexy.
Gear down.
Not completely out of the power. There we go. There we go. All right. This is probably, in my opinion, don't tell them other planes, but in my opinion, this is my absolute best looking model.
Gear up.
I love the way this model looks. And look at that silhouette. It's almost, that profile, it's almost completely flat. There. Like I said, this particular model is not a
Time remaining 1 minute.
not a rocket ship by any stretch of the imagination. She flies at a scale speed. Using my rudder for direction there. There we go.
Gear up.
Not a very axial roll,
Seconds. Gear down.
but that's okay. Love that silhouette against
28 seconds.
that sky. Oh man, beautiful. Beautiful. Man. But like I say, takeoff optional, landing mandatory. Man, love it. And what do you want to hear or do before you touch the model?
Motor off.
Motor off. Safety. All right, folks. Well, there you go. That is the BF 109 by Dynam. The only mod, other than I added lights, I added some lights. It already has some great stock lights. It has a flasher here, and then wingtip navigation lights. And then I've added some lights inside the cockpit. That just helps me with it when I'm flying in the lower light settings. So let's put our gear up. Hey, they tuck away somewhat okay. Makes it easy for me to store this plane with the gear up. So thank you so much for watching, folks. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless y'all.